Hello, welcome to Nuer Tube. We are going to talk about this English and Thok basic phrase. I prepare 6 basic phrases. These are the sentences that we are going to translate into Thok or Thok Nuer. Number 1 is I sleep in my cozy bed every night. I'm going to translate that. We're also going to translate the children play soccer in the park. Drinking water keep me healthy and strong. She enjoy eating food with her family at dinner. After playing, we need to drink water to stay hydrated. Eating fresh food is a healthy habit for everyone. These are the sentences that we are going to translate. So please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. This is what we are going to be doing. We are going to translate these sentences. We are going to start from number 1. I sleep in my cozy bed every night. You can say it and sometimes you can say ngan if yeah, depending on the language that you can use. Both of them, they're fine. An or ngan la and a touch with dang ngada nishang kawer. An or ngan la and a touch with dang ngada nishang kawer. Night aware, every night nichang kawer. Okay, you can use that. An la and a touch with dang ngada nishang kawer. I sleep in my cozy bed every night. You can even remove this thing cozy did wajba. I sleep in my bed every night. I sleep in my cozy bed every night. An or ngan lana touch with dangada ni chanka war bed dang kilang a rep. Okay, let me write something here. Okay, an la an a touch we lang a repada ni chang kawer. You can use any of these, okay, depending on the language that you can use, okay. Okay, number 2, the children play soccer in the park. The children play soccer in the park. Got ngarken ke kure ka park. Park in no language we can say dai ki queer ngarke we queer ngarke gan ngarken ke kure we queer or queer ngarke queer gan ngarken ke kure we queer. Okay, the children play soccer in the park. You can use that. And number 3, drinking water keep me healthy and strong. Mat pini mocha a pal pine kana bomb. You can say that drinking water keep me healthy and strong. Mat pini mocha pal pine kana bomb. You can use this when you want to say it. Drinking water keeps me healthy and strong. You can use that. Okay. Maspini mocha pal pine kana bomb. Drinking water keeps me healthy and strong. Let's go to number 4 here. She enjoy eating food with her family at dinner. She is a pronoun. Okay, she raja ke kui shek de kon lare jen ko kan chude kan lare jen la nok o be mit kene she mani kel. Oh, let me write it in Thok nath here. Jen nok o jen la nok o be mit kene she mani kel ka Thok tiang. She enjoyed eating food with her family at dinner. Temisha kwen tiang kide kon larno jen la kwen tiang a chama kel ken shemani. You can say that also. Jen la kwen tiang a chama kel ken shemani. Jen nogo o yeah, jen la nogo be mis ken shemani kel ka Thok tiang. You can use any of these. Of course, there's different way that you can use to translate it, but for me, yeah, I think this you can use this thing also. She enjoyed eating food with her family at dinner. Dinner a tiang, okay? Jen la nogo be mis kene she manakel ka Thok tiang. In another way, you can say Jen la tiang a shama kel kene she mani. She mani, okay? Share money. Number 5. Okay. After playing, we need to drink water to stay hydrated. Kakor. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Hold on. Okay. We can say. Okay. Yeah. Kakor ngara. Lane mat kepiu. Ko bi point ko quach. After playing, we need to drink water to stay hydrated. Kakor mishine ngar. Kakor kami shine ngar. Lane maske piu. Lane maske piu ko bi point ko quach. Sorry, I write it wrong. Yeah, bi point ko quach. We are going to move this thing. Kakor commissioning Arlane mask pew ko be point ko coach. After playing, we need to drink water to stay hydrated. Ran micha mat ke pew la pone la koja ke be point de betekong beteke pew ke ba coach. Number 6. Okay. Number 6. Eating fresh fruits is a healthy habit for everyone. Miet den jen. Oh, okay. Miet den jen. Emi gua Canadial ke qui pola point. Eating fresh fruit is a healthy habit for everyone. Miet Denigen. Okay, I will correct that. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Okay, let me do this. Miss Denigen amigua Canadial kakui polapan. Eating fresh fruits is a healthy habit for everyone. That is what I mean. So please, if you are new to my channel and this is your first time, I would like you to help me by subscribing, and also do not forget to comment. These are simply normal basics phrases in English and Thok nath. If you have any question, please drop it. And yeah, that's it. Do not forget also to hit the notification bell on my YouTube channel Thank you for watching. Bye bye.